All right, kind of some filtered sunshine, if you will, as we're heading into the afternoon hours. We still have those high clouds really sticking around. So you can see as we're looking at right across the Allegheny River here, a couple of shadows there, but you can certainly tell it's not as bright as it really should be. Airport is showing mostly cloudy skies. That's once again, they're thin layer. It's a thin layer, but it's still some high clouds that are in place and sticking around. 44 degrees, winds out of the west at 9 miles an hour. Barometer coming in at 30 and 27 hundredths of an inch. The dew point is at 32 degrees. It is very dry. The air mass that is in place this hour. Here's a look at those current temperatures. 47 in Beaver Falls, 45 in Butler, Latrobe 45. We do have 50 in the Denora area. A couple of numbers just now updating, including Washington coming in at 46 degrees. It's 44 in Pittsburgh this hour. We have some work to do before we get to the expected high of about 54 degrees. Still, even with the filtered sunshine, should get close to that. We're looking at the winds out of the west at 5 to 12 miles an hour, and we're right there as well. Here's a look at what we kind of expect for the next few hours. We'll put your 2 o'clock temperature at 51 degrees. So it'll be important for us to start warming up a little bit as of 1 o'clock, 53 at 4, and 6 o'clock temperature coming in at 52. Notice because we will have a few more clouds around than what we saw this morning. So our temperature, our overnight low at least, won't fall or won't drop as low as what we saw this morning. We're only expecting those overnight lows just at or just below the 40-degree mark. Fell all the way down to 33 actually in Pittsburgh this morning. Radar dry, and we are expecting it to be dry all day long today. Cold front that brought us the rain, remember that yesterday? Well, it's all the way down into parts of Tennessee, Virginia, and even into Arkansas, past there. Parts of Mississippi even feeling the cooler air as we're heading into the afternoon with the cold front. Notice what's going on, though, just off to the north. This is a fairly fast, right around the Green Bay, Wisconsin area. Another cold front that has developed. That's going to be impacting us as we head into Wednesday. Right at around noon, it should be pushing through. So there's the front. This is at 7 o'clock in the morning, just now coming off of Lake Erie. It impacts places like Pittsburgh and the Butler area, kind of washing out as we're heading into the afternoon hours. Now, what it's going to do, our temperatures will likely be cooler than today. Some very light drizzle possible, really in the way of just a couple of sprinkles here or there. But then behind this, our wind speeds pick up, and we start to see some strong enough winds coming in off of Lake Erie that we might even have, mainly north of I-80, a couple of lake effect rain showers. Maybe even a snowflake or two, a little bit up lake. That'll be over into parts of New York that could see that. So overall, small chance for rain. We're only putting the chance for rain at 20% on Wednesday. We will have also a solid chance for some rain showers on Saturday, similar to what we saw yesterday. It's what we can expect to see on Saturday. There's your 7-day outlook. We'll go 54 your high today, 52 your Wednesday high, and 53 on Thursday. Friday could be the warmest day of the next 7. Balmy 58 degrees.
Balmy 58.
That's what we're expecting there. This cool air, it's really in place. It's going to be sticking around for quite some time.
Probably till the spring sometime.
There you go.
All right. Thanks.